So Jameson and Jonas wanted to do a 3-day adventure in Sandusky, Ohio. First, we went to Castaway Bay and we explored the water park. We stayed overnight. And then we went off to the African Safari. And then we ended up at Great Wolf Lodge. Rate which one is best. Y'all excited? Look. Hot tub at Castaway Bay, and we are by ourselves, so relaxing.
And what would you rather, Castaway Bay or Great Wolf Lodge or Kalahari?
I'll go back down.
Castaway Bay was fun. Now we're at the African Safari. The boys are very scared and nervous about feeding the animals. You want to feed them?
No.
Yeah, don't feed them.
No, you don't go out. You just hold the cup out. I don't think they're worried. Nope, they don't worry. Look at that already.
No. Keep going with the water buffalo. Because they're going to scratch your car up. Look on me. Be careful.
Oh, Lord.
No! I'm good.
Wait.
Oh, here comes the water buffalo. No,
right.
get it. Move.
All right.
Oh, heck no.
Huh?
Mom, there goes the water buffalo.
Yeah, fine. We just started.
Oh my God. Oh.
Hi. I just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Dang, I'm going to hit him.
I ain't
No, you're
that.
not.
Here, let me do it. Stop. Dang, you only got one more left. Here, Daddy, let me do it. I don't have no more. I wish I had more. Daddy, can I have more? Zebra, zebra, zebra. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Blah, blah, blah.
You posing for us? You posing for us, buddy?
Ooh, let me feed that llama. Let me feed the llama. Ooh,
Where you see a llama at?
right there.
It's not a fucking llama.
Oh, right there. No, that's a camel.
Ain't no camel.
I want to feed the camel. Hi, camel. Come here, camel.
No.
Last stop is Great Wolf Lodge. It's a little bit more busier than Castaway Bay, but we're very excited.
Whoa. Oh, bunk beds. Oh, bunk I'm on the bottom. I'm on the bottom. I call on the top. Oh. Yeah. This is our bed. No. Our bed, right? Our bunk bed. Oh, yeah. I'm sleeping in my bunk bed. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go to my bunk bed. We're both on top. It's hard to get up. Actually, I'm on the bottom. Top is real cool. Let me see. Let me see you on top. Whoa.
So we ended up having to get a private cabana because it's really busy. It was no tables for us to sit at. So we just rented this. It was an extra, probably like $250. But it's nice because it's right by the like lazy river.
Would you like better, Castaway Bay or Great Wolf Lodge?
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge? Okay. Why?
Because we have bunk beds, candy, it's our birthday, and we can have cake, ice cream, and pizza.
You having fun at the water park?
Yes.
Both water parks?
Yes. Yeah.
Which water park you like better?
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge. Why?
Because they have the biggest slides ever.
Oh, okay. Have fun.
And
And they got
the
a
one
lazy
slide
room?
goes outside. And we have a lazy river.
Lazy room. Okay.
And Castaway Bay.